Before the legend roars, it sleeps inside a single sheet of steel. This is where Godzilla is born. Not in Japan's myths, but here. Every cut is precision down to a hair's width. No room for error. 10,000 tons of force. And the metal doesn't scream, it sings. Godzilla's skeleton, welded by silent, tireless giants. But a human eye still checks every joint.
Respect.
A bath of protection. So Godzilla lives longer than its owner's dreams. Electricity pulls paint into every microscopic gap. Total armor. Now it's white, pure, ready, like a canvas for power.
Hand sanding, because robots can't feel perfection.
First layer of soul. Primer that listens to the metal.
This white isn't just color. It's the absence of apology.
Clear coat deep as a lake. You could fall into it.
One dust speck? Rejected. Godzilla doesn't wear flaws.
The heart arrives. Cold. Heavy. Hungry.
6 cylinders. Twin turbos. Hand-built by masters.
Every bolt sings a note. Listen closely. They don't just build engines. They compose symphonies.
Twin turbos. 2 lungs that breathe fire.
Before it meets the road, it screams alone.
Six-speed dual clutch. Shifts faster than thought. A Tesla ETS. A brain that sends power where grip lives. Marriage of fire and gears. Forever.
The nervous system. 20 kilometers of copper dreams.
One wrong connection, Godzilla stumbles. So they don't.
Body meets bones. The shell finds its shadow. Clunk, clunk, clunk. A heartbeat in hardware. Bilstein dampers. So Godzilla can kiss the tarmac. 6 piston front. 4 rear. Stopping is a weapon too. Carbon fiber. Lighter than steel. Stronger than anger.
Fuel for the beast. Premium only. Always.
Titanium exhaust. Because Godzilla's voice must be distinct.
Quiet inside, so the driver hears only their own heartbeat.
The cockpit, where human commands become metal action. Seats that hold you like a mother's arms, but firm. The round compass, pointing only forward. A screen that measures courage. Lateral G's don't lie.
3 pedals? No, 2. But the left one is for legends.
Glass sealed so tight, silence becomes a color. Eyes that cut through night like a promise.
4 rings. Anyone behind knows, don't get close.
The face. Angry. Beautiful. Unforgiving.
A wing that isn't for show. At 300 kilometers per hour, it prays.
Rays. Forged by gods who learned pressure.
Rubber that melts before it gives up.
Exactly 113 milliliters, not 112,
12.
not 114.
Blood of 3 colors, each with a purpose. First spark. The heart remembers it was alive.
It breathes for the first time as a complete beast. Listen, that rumble? That's Godzilla yawning.
Every millimeter adjusted, so it tracks true.
Rain? Godzilla laughs, sealed like a submarine. Light aimed perfectly. So the dark fears it. Even standing still, it practices attacking.
One last polish. So the world sees itself in Godzilla.
Unwrapped, like releasing a butterfly from steel. Waiting, patient. But the patience is a lie.
Revealed.
And then, the first real roar. Not a test, a statement.
From a sheet of Earth's blood to a legend.
Godzilla doesn't ask for permission. It asks for asphalt.
Every mirror finish hides 1,000 hours of love. Built by hands, willed by dreams, paid by passion. It is not a car. This is a rebellion against ordinary.
You feel them.